How to get NBA 2K24 locker codes for Xbox. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box. Type in NBA 2K24 locker codes for Xbox and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Just scroll down and you can navigate to any of these websites. For instance, I'm gonna navigate to this one website. Once you're on the website, just scroll down. You're gonna find tons of codes for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, valid or not. If the code is valid, you can copy it and use it. Likewise, you can also visit other website. Head back, scroll down. You can also navigate to this one website. Scroll down and check out the locker codes. Also follow NBA 2K on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. They frequently release locker codes during special events, game updates and promotional campaigns. Download the official NBA 2K app on your mobile device. It often features exclusive locker codes and gaming rewards. Likewise, you can join NBA 2K subreddits like RNBA 2K and RNBA 2K My Team. These communities share locker codes and tips on how to get the most out of the game. Lastly, you can keep an eye out for NBA 2K special events, holidays and promotions. Developers release exclusive locker codes during these times. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get NBA 2K24 locker codes for Xbox. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.